mighty defenders of the universe have come to protect us.
Remember, we are one unit, fighting with one goal.
Let's get him, guys!
Oh, crud. It looks like Emperor Zarkon has unleashed another monster to wreak havoc on a planet.
Oh no! It's Myzax. This looks like a job for Voltron. Let's get him!
The Yellow Lion attacks using his powerful claw. But they're no use for Myzax.
Lay down some covering fire so they can get out of there!
Using the fire gun in his mouth, the Red Lion sneak attacks Myzax.
Fire blaster! Yeah!
If we want to take this monster down, there's only one way to do it.
Oh no! It looks like it's gonna take a lot more to take this foe down.
Born Voltron!
The mighty defenders of the universe have come to protect us.
Remember, we are one unit, fighting with one goal.
Let's get him, guys!
Since that sword can cut through anything, they basically jump Myzax and defeat him. Seems unfair, but whatevs. Evil has no place in this universe as long as Voltron and their overly powerful weapons are around. Voltron is made up of 5 lines, but we could only afford 3. Cardboard Desert and Jakey background sold separately. Batteries never included, not a real commercial.